Hi, I'm Vanelli with the Skylum Education Team, and in this video, I'll show you tips on how to create a style plan and have a little fun breaking a few photography rules, taking and editing corporate, community, and family event photos. As a bonus, I'll show you how I use the advanced contrast filter to help create a new Luminar look and where you can download additional looks for free. Let's get started. Now, the first step is to plan what type of event we're going to photograph so we can create a shooting and editing style around it. Let's use this corporate event as an example. Now, this event was for a group of engineers to celebrate their CEO's birthday and the amazing accomplishments the company had throughout the year. Now, the CEO wanted me to capture the fun, excitement, and craziness of the group. To match the group's unique style, I shot most images on a slight angle known as the Dutch angle or Dutch tilt. So this is what the image would look like if I shot it straight on. And here's what it looks like using the Dutch angle style. Now, I bought these funny animal hats to add to the group's craziness. So after taking my regular photos throughout the night and bonding with the guests, I handed these hats out and I smiled as they eagerly put them on and just started laughing. So I showed you the shots that I wanted. Now, here's how Luminar helped me complete my vision that made my client very happy. I combined 7 filters to create this look. Now, you're probably wondering where to start. You can start by browsing the Luminar Looks collection and selecting one that you like. Then either add or remove filters and make some changes to the setting. So after I created this look, I needed a filter to control the highlights and the contrast of the subject's face. So I scrolled through the filters catalog, and by selecting the information icon, I read a description of the filter's feature and decided the advanced contrast filter would be perfect. Man, what a great learning tool. Now notice how the advanced contrast filter corrects the highlights of the subject's face and improves the contrast overall. So here's the image without the filter, and now with the filter added. The final step is to save the new look and give it a descriptive name. Now I can add this new look to the entire set of images to keep the style consistent. Now, if you don't feel creative or if you don't want to spend time creating looks, browse through the Luminar Looks collections or visit the Luminar Marketplace. There you'll find a collection of Luminar looks that you can download for free or have the option to purchase signature looks. How cool is that? So at your next event, create a style plan and have a little fun breaking a few photography rules. Then use Luminar to complete your vision. Now, Skylum is dedicated to education, so if you have questions about this technique or a technique you would like to learn, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and take a moment to add a few comments. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to this Skylum channel to get the latest videos, tips, and photography inspiration each week. Well, I'm Vanelli for the Skylum Education Team. Thanks for watching.